guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody is having a happy Tuesday. Today we are going to be working on stuffing some of our sinking funds. If you saw my video from Saturday, you know I had a little bit bigger of a check, so these amounts are going to be bigger than they usually are, which I get those sometimes, and it's good to have so you can kind of get ahead, especially to kind of make up for the weeks that you don't have a lot. So let's get started with our high priority. Our truck is getting 40, so 20, 40. Our savings, our new laminated placeholder, our savings is getting 100. So now we have 1,000, 100, 2, 4, 6, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. 1172. Our emergency fund is getting 50. Slowly but surely rebuilding this one. After I used some on a medical bill from a few months ago, and then some of it went when my truck needed fixed. Our gifts is getting 20. So now we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 100, 110, 120, 125. Just in time for Valentine's Day. Future house is going to be getting 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. So that's not all we have saved for our house. For those of you that are new or just haven't seen the video, we have a whole house binder in all the different categories that when this one gets to a certain point, I do my little dice game and I stuff them in different envelopes. Our babies fund is getting 10 as well. So for babies, we now have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Not bad. And wedding fund will be getting $10 as well. Now we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115. That'll what? Maybe a down payment on something? Because weddings are not cheap. And I think that is it for our high priority binder. We will go in to our low priority. Sorry if I don't seem so enthusiastic and I'm kind of just meh. I still have a headache and there's a little pressure in my eyes right now, so I don't feel the greatest, but I wanted to make sure I had content for you guys. Because if you didn't see my video from Saturday, I was recently diagnosed with IIH, or pseudotumoral something, cerebri, something like that. Basically, fluid in the head, so it puts pressure on everything. Our tattoo fund is also getting 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. Nothing from memberships yet. Puppers is getting 20. just in time for me to use it all. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 120, 150, nope, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 46, 47, 48, 49, 150, 151. Our tea subscription is still on hold because we got to get through what we have. Travel is getting 50. It's time to focus on stuff in that too. But depending on what doctors say, I may not be able to take that trip like I normally do if being on a plane is going to be too much. We didn't do anything in tax refund this time. Medical is going to get 40. So we have 20, 40. Because those bills are coming after an ER visit, MRI, blood draw, and all that fun stuff. And more stuff to come. Nothing in month ahead. So I think that should be everything. Let me double check. Yep. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you already are subscribed, make sure you have that bell turned on so you know when I upload. Comment down below. I love talking with you guys. Like the video, share it with your friends and your family, and I will see you next time. Bye.